Hi, I'm Adri,
I'm Tanner.
And Jared.
and this is our limiting reagent problems.
Perfect. I'm Tanner, and this is my limiting reagent problem. So the problem says if we have 40 grams of molten iron oxide, 2-oxide, reacts with 10 grams of magnesium, what is the mass of iron produced? So this is the problem written out. So just looking at the problem, we can tell it's already balanced. So we know that there's 1 mole of FeO to 1 mole of Fe, and 1 mole of magnesium to 1 mole of magnesium oxide. So knowing that, we're going to have to do stoichiometry. So we're going to use our 2 givens. So our first one, we know we have 40 grams of FeO. Okay, so now we have to do 2 conversion factors. So we find the molar mass of FeO, and we already know, I really don't have to write out the conversion factors because we know, I can just look at it and know. So, times 1 mole FeO. And then I would look at the periodic table and find the molar mass of that, but I have it written down, so. Okay, so those cross each other out. So now we want to convert from moles of FeO to moles of Fe. So just looking at our problem, we know that it's balanced. So 1 mole of FeO equals 1 mole of Fe. So and I would do the conversion factors, but I can just look at it and know. Okay, so now we need the molar mass of Fe, which I have written down. Okay, so then we would do the calculations. So we know that these cross each other out. So if I put it in my calculator, this would equal yeah, 31.1 grams of Fe. Okay, so if we want to find the limiting reagent, we also have to do it for the magnesium part. So we're going to do the same exact thing, 10 grams of magnesium times 1 mole of magnesium. And then again, I have it written down, the molar mass, that way I don't pull out the periodic table. So it is 24.3. And then, so now we want to convert from grams or moles of magnesium to moles of Fe, because that's what we're trying to find. So we can look at this and know by our 2 conversion factors that we want 1 mole of magnesium on the bottom, that way it cancels out. Okay. So now we use the molar mass of Fe again. So 55, we can look 55.8. And then 1 mole of Fe. And then again, we would do this whole thing in our calculator. These cancel, and then I'm not going to do it with my calculator, so I have it written down. Equals 22.96. So just by looking at this, is that grams of magnesium or FFE? So just by looking at this, we know that this would be our limiting reagent because that's what's going to run out first.